Affiliate marketing tips for beginners. Hey, let me ask you something real quick. What if I told you that you could start an online business today without a product, without inventory, and without dealing with customers? Sounds too good to be true? Well, that's exactly what affiliate marketing is all about. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard or marketing genius to get started. If you've ever wondered how people are making money online, from their couch, a cafe in Thailand, or a beach in Bali, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to break down the key tips you need to know to start affiliate marketing the right way, even if you're a total beginner. Tip number one, choose the right niche that actually excites you. First things first, don't just chase trends. Pick a niche that lights you up, something you're genuinely curious about. Health, fitness, personal growth, travel, parenting, side hustles, whatever it is. Why? Because affiliate marketing takes consistency. And if you don't care about the topic, you'll quit before the money comes in. Pro tip, ask yourself, could I create content around this for the next 6 to 12 months without burning out? If yes, you've got your niche. Tip number two, start with one platform and focus hard. This is where a lot of beginners trip up. They try to be everywhere: Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, blog, email, and end up nowhere. Pick one platform to start with, just one. If you love writing, start a blog. If you're a talker, maybe YouTube's your jam. Love quick, snappy content, try TikTok or Reels. Build an audience in one place, then expand. Tip number three, don't just sell, help first. Here's the truth. People can smell a desperate sales pitch a mile away. Affiliate marketing isn't about pushing links, it's about helping people solve a problem. You're a guide, a trusted voice, and when people trust you, they'll follow your recommendations. So lead with value. Teach, inspire, share what's working for you. If your content helps people, the sales will follow naturally. Tip number four, choose quality affiliate products you'd use yourself. Would you actually buy the thing you're promoting? If the answer is no, don't promote it. Stick to high quality products or services that you believe in offer real value. Have a good commission structure. 30% to 50% plus is great. Provide marketing materials or support. You're building a brand here. Your reputation matters. People will come back to you for recommendations if they know you only promote the good stuff. Tip number five, be patient. This is a long game. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Yes, it's powerful. Yes, it can lead to time freedom and location independence. But it takes time to build an audience, gain trust, and see regular commissions roll in. So treat it like planting seeds. You show up, you water the soil, you nurture the content, and over time, those seeds turn into a thriving income stream. Be patient. Keep learning. Keep showing up. So let's wrap it up. If you're just starting out in affiliate marketing, remember, pick a niche you love. Focus on one platform. Lead with value, not sales. Promote stuff you believe in. Play the long game. It's not about overnight success, it's about building something real that can pay you for years to come. If that excites you, you're exactly where you need to be. Want more tips, strategies, and step-by-step guidance to build your digital freedom business? Head over to andrewplimmer.com. There's a ton of free resources, tools, and blog posts to help you get started the smart way. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're never too young to retire, and you're never too old to start. Catch you in the next one.